I love you just the way you are. I love you in the morning when the sun shines on the day, with silly hair that's sticking up each and every way. I love you when you're playing, blowing bubbles in the sun. Climbing high and sliding down, having so much fun. I love you when you're messy, sticky fingers, face and hair, with papers scattered all around and paint splashed everywhere. I love you when we're quiet, sharing books and puzzles too. I treasure every moment of the special time with you. I love you when you dress up and pretend to be a king. Or a superhero pirate dog who loves to dance and sing. I love you when it's bath time, squeaky clean and smelling sweet, giggling as I scrub your ears, tummy, hands and feet. I love you when it's bedtime and you bounce into your bed. I hold you close to say goodnight and kiss you on the head. I love your smile, freckles, all the funny things you say. I love you just the way you are, and more